Hello, how are you? I hope you're having a fabulous day. I wanted to hop on quickly and talk to you about one of our well-known products, our mini warmers. A lot of people refer to them as plugins, but they are actually just our $20 price point mini warmers. And they all use a 15-watt light bulb. And they normally come like this. This is probably how you've seen them. Honestly, I'm not sure that either of these styles are still available. These are just two that I had nearby, so I grabbed to show you. So this is what it's going to come like, as it will plug directly into the wall. All of our warmers do plug into the wall. They're all electric. All of our minis use light bulbs, so they all do light up. And so this is how you're gonna see it. Now we have two options. We have a ceramic or a glass. So this one is ceramic, and it goes on and it twists and it stays. The other ones, they are like this. These are the glass. So these ones like pivot and stay in place, and these ones you'll twist all the way on. So this is one of our newer features, a tabletop base. So this is a really cute option for your mini warmers if you want to put them maybe on a nightstand or on a kitchen counter, or if this option just works better for you than plugging it in directly to the wall. So it's always going to come like this. And then this little tabletop base here comes separate for $15. So let me know if you need help figuring out whether your mini warmer is ceramic or glass. Remember, the glass twists completely and the ceramic pivots once. So you'll see how it's got those two little, what are those called? I have the word right on the tip of my tongue, those two little spots. And then these do not, because this one is glass, so it's just going to twist on entirely. Your tabletop base is going to come with a light bulb, so that's nice. A 15-watt light bulb. Make sure that you're always using the proper light bulb watts in your warmer for the best results and to not void your Scentsy lifetime manufacturer warranty. So these are $20. $15 for these. Let me know if you have any questions, and then I will post a link below where you can go see all of the current designs right now to fit any decor. Thanks so much. Bye.